Good morning, this is Ben from Radio Parts, and today we're going to test out a new HDMI lead. This is the Pro 2 EasyLock connector. The main feature of this is that it's got a little locking pin set that allows you to, well, lock it into place. It means for installers you don't have to worry about cables coming loose anymore. If you're doing any of the dusting and things like that, it means that it won't fall out when you're trying to do it. And no more service calls when a customer has managed to play around at the back of their equipment and pull out the vital cable. HDMI is tough enough to get right in the first place. You don't want this falling out every time you do it. We'll show you a few more details on this one inside, exactly how the pins work and so on for it. But today outside, well, we've got a few little tests to run. So let's try this thing out. They've got a little sliding connector on there which engages the two little pins to lock it in place. And you can see it goes from red is locked to green is unlocked. And same on both ends, so let's give it a go. Alright, so I've got one of our security camera NVRs in front of us, and there we go. Looks pretty solid to me. That's not going anywhere fast. Actually pulling quite hard to try and get that out. That's great. Cool. Alright, that was an easy test load. Let's try and get it onto something a bit tougher. Alright, so the DVR was a bit of an easy test. That's quite a lightweight one. Let's move it on to something a bit heavier, and let's go for a 24-inch TV. This is hopefully one of the new Wintel 24-inch TVs. And let's see if it survives when we play around with this. Hopefully our technicians haven't been opening and removed all the screws from the back of the board, making me look like an idiot when I put this in, but we'll see how we go. Alright, so I've engaged the lock. Let's pull this. There we go. That's pretty easy. Hasn't fallen on my foot yet, that's got to be a good sign. Okay, test number 2 for the EasyLock passed. Alright, so I've got one more heavy duty test here. We're going to plug it into the back of the Yamaha RXV 400 series amp. It's a 477. We've left everything inside, so you can see we haven't removed the transformer or any of the other innards. This is an 8 kilo amplifier when it's got its front panel and top on, so we're probably still looking at 7.5 kilos or so worth of weight. Plug this into the HDMI connector at the back, engage the lock, and woohoo! So that's nearly 8 kilos worth of amplifier being held by a cable there. That's not bad. That's unlikely to come out of the back of your rack very easily. Cool. Alright, so that's the new HDMI EasyLock connector. It's a patented locking cable, exclusive to Radio Parts. Check them out today, and yeah, I'm going to go and sell a few now. See you later.